What if learning just one programming language could change your career in 2025? With over 700 programming languages out there, how do you know which one is actually worth learning? In this video, we break down the top 2 languages ruling the tech world right now, so you don't waste your time. The world of programming is evolving fast, and if you want to stay ahead in tech, you need to know which languages are leading the way in 2025. Whether you're starting your coding journey or leveling up your skills, this video breaks down the top 5 programming languages in the world right now, based on real-world demand, job market trends, and tech innovation. To make it super easy for you, we'll break down each language in 3 quick steps. Why it's popular, what it's used for, and who's using it. So whether you're just starting or looking to level up, this guide has your back. Number 1, Python. No surprise here. Python has been dominating for years, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Why it's popular. Clean and readable syntax. Easy to learn for beginners. Powerful for professionals. Used in data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, web development, automation, cybersecurity. Big companies using Python. Google, Netflix. Number 2, JavaScript. It powers the web. Over 95% of websites use it in some form. Why it's popular. Runs in the browser and on the server, with Node.js. Massive ecosystem and community. Essential for web developers. Used in front-end, React, Vue, Angular. Back-end, Node.js. Mobile apps, React Native. Game dev and web tools. Big companies using JavaScript. Facebook, YouTube,